Man, this is so weird. There's literally nobody here.
Yeah, I mean, look out on track.
I mean, it looks pretty.
Nobody.
This is the quietest I've ever seen a racetrack ever. Like, I can hear myself echoing around the entire track.
Yeah.
But it looks really cool, like, especially this bit over here that goes, you kind of go up here and you're flat and you go down there, and then you just like a bit of a lift. I've looked at these cadet cars that Rory's driving, they look really speedy.
Yeah.
I'm in
The Sodi carts.
these, which look a bit like the ones from Brentwood, the seniors.
Yeah.
But yeah, let me see what lap time I should try and aim for. But to be fair though, it's really cold in here, isn't it?
It's
It's quite cold in here.
I know, but it looks really, really grippy.
We're gonna grab some pizza as well. Maybe I should do a review on the pizza.
And
Nice. I think I will actually. Right.
By the end of this
So
day,
what lap time should I aim for?
I'm gonna aim for a 51 point.
43.
Yeah, 43.
Ooh, nice.
I'm gonna aim.
And you're gonna aim for a
51.
51.
My first time then.
I don't think you will though. you're doubting.
Just
me.
want to rent with A fucking.
You still think you're quicker than me.
I don't care.
This is what I get all day. Him thinking he's quicker than me.
No, but I get this in when it's right here.
This is gonna go on, but yeah, can't wait. How's the pizza man?
Tasty.
We're all a bit tired. It's really weird here because it's so quiet. Like,
Look. Barely even a sound.
like we can hear us echoing out there, but this is actually really good, isn't it? I hear a briefing. Right, that's enough talking. Let's get down to the driving. But if the footage looks a little bit worse than usual, that's because I'm not using my own GoPro. I'm using the ones they have at Teamsport, which you rent. But I think the footage still look alright. Hope you enjoy the video.
Okay. No, you want a bigger seat and stuff?
Yeah.
So here we go for the first time at Teamsport Bradford. So here we are, just doing the usual stop check to see if the car works, and here we go, we're going on track for the first time. So let's see what this track is like. I thought it'd be really slippery. As you can see, the floor looks really shiny, but actually it was pretty grippy. Even though it was freezing in there, pretty sure I could see my own breath. Look, it's already green flag. Nice. Okay, there's Dad right in front of us. Oh, crikey. Looks quite speedy. Anyway, we're following him, just seeing what the lines and track is like. Just following him, see the gap opens up, he lets us pass. Nice. Anyway, going up the hill. This, I think, was my favourite part of the circuit. Going round here, through the left-right chicane. And then flying down there, tapping the brakes just to get the car around. I really struggled with that corner, though. I really struggled with it, and I couldn't really get it right after. But I think at the end, I managed to get it all right. It's really, these Sodi karts are very different to driving the normal Biz karts, but they're really nice. They are a lot smoother, I would say. Like, you tap on the brakes like there, and the car literally doesn't drift. It basically almost turns in by itself, which isn't a bad thing. It just feels really smooth, feels really good. So coming up here once again, see if I can get this chicane right. It takes quite. Oh, I know it's a red flag. I think in this session it's only me, my dad, and Rory on track, so it's actually really good. So this was just a practice of red flag. See, look, it's already yellow. It's probably going to turn green any second now. And look, there you go. Green again. Going through here, this really grippy, that corner, quite bumpy. The bumpiest part of the circuit, definitely. Going full human DRS already. Crikey, Benji, come on. You need to get quicker first. Oh, yeah, I struggled with that corner a lot at the start. Went in too tight and then you would lose time on that final corner. But then I looked at lots of YouTube lap record videos and I felt a lot quicker. It felt a lot quicker actually. Getting these hairpins, very nice. Going up the ramp again, full speed, there we go. Through here, bit too much steering lock. I was just trying to make sure I didn't smack into the barrier because I was a bit nervous at first. I could take it flat, but I would slow down a lot by using the steering. I'd be like, oh no, I'm going too fast, quick steer, and then I would make it around just. But yeah, let's see what else happens. So there's going to be an epic cadet versus adult kart battle here. So I'm coming up to Rory at an insane speed. I can't really get past him here, he's going a bit defensive. Could have gone for the move there, but I didn't want to hit him off because I backed off a bit this lap because I kind of thought he was on, forget what I said. Oh no, he's coming back at me, gone a bit too deep. Somehow my car decides to understeer there for no apparent reason and he gets back past me. I'm going to try and get him around the outside. Yes, it worked, plan worked. Right, come on, get up the hill. Come on, get in front of him. How's he accelerating faster than me? He's in a cadet car with like 0.5 horsepower. Okay, I'm still in front, just about. And I think that was the small battle. Oh no, I remember this. I slowed down just to annoy him. And then I sped up again just to show the speed of the adult car. You know, just look at the speed. I mean, like, look. Ooh, almost hit the tyre barrier there. That was actually quite nice. And you can't even see Rory anymore, I'm just that far in front. But those cadet karts weren't slow. They definitely were quick, like they were really grippy around those corners. And I could barely keep up with Rory. Like, and I don't understand how they accelerate quick up the ramp. Yeah, I know they're a lot lighter, but like they have so much less power. But anyway, that was a pretty cool battle, and I think that leads us to the end of this session. Yes, it does. On to session 2. So, here we go now for session 2. And because there was nobody really out on track, there's already green flag, as you can see. Dad lets me pass, thank you very much. For this first lap I showed Dad the track because he wanted to go quite a lot quicker. But I think it really helped him because he went a lot quicker in the second session as he followed me. And I kind of knew the lines after looking at some YouTube videos. So I kind of tried to replicate them on this lap, which I kind of went like half speed on, just to show Dad where to go, where to brake. But I think the main thing with him is he's quick around the corners because he's heavier and his lines are good, but he's slow up the ramps because he's heavier and he just needs to improve his braking because he brakes a little bit too early. He chickens out a little bit, but he's a good driver. I think with more practice he'll be able to go really, really well. And oh look, I'm giving Rory a little love tap, just to be annoying. But I think I'm going to skip this because I'm stuck behind him for an entire lap. Look, there you go, send it past him, like, what a move, oh my god, what a dirty driver. You saw that, right? He completely hit the back of me, oh look, but the speed of the adult kart just helps me so much, and I go around the outside of him. But what a dirty move, he literally hit the back of me, oh look. I'm letting him pass. I'm going to get my revenge shoot soon on this, if I can catch him anyway. So now I'm behind Dad again. I actually got a half an hour session. Look, there he is. He's going slow on purpose. I bet you are. No, that's just him driving slowly. Anyway, got past Rory easy. He didn't hit me off that time, so my back and my neck doesn't die. So I'm very happy about that. So I'm just following Dad now to see if he picked up any good tips from me. And he seems to look round there. He's pretty quick. He went a bit deep and ran off wide, but look, he did brakes a bit too early. But he's behind me again. I think, do I show him another lap again at like half speed, or am I just driving slowly this time? That was nice. I barely drifted. Where is he? Where is he? There he is. He's behind us. Yeah, I'm slowing down again, but he's also slowing down because he wants to battle Rory. But yeah, let's see what else happened. Oh, that was actually quite nice. I'm going to try and commentate over one lap now. So, okay, I'm going to do a full lap here. Let's see what I can do. I think in this session I set like a 45-0, which is pretty good. So across the line, we go for starting our lap. I said that a bit early. Missed the apex there quite a lot. But I did it so I can carry more speed up here. Probably not the right way to do it, but braking as late as you can, just after the ramp finishes, and trying to control the drift of the car through the hairpins, up the ramp. God, it's going too fast for me to commentate. Come on, through the chicane, which is easy flat. Okay, that was nice. That was very nice because I didn't slide at all. Okay, along the tiny straight again. Flick it in. You don't actually necessarily have to use a brake, but it helps the car rotate round the corner. Get a very... Oh, I think that might have ruined my lap there because I hit the wall, and that cost me quite a lot of speed going down the straight. But yeah, that was a hot-ish lap of Teamsport Bradford from me. And let's have a mini montage now, shall we?
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. He be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying to chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta know. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. Been spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most of the night. Look at the situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the state, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my tin in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a loped out gangster, set tripping banker, and my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life, do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know. Money and the power, minute after minute, hour after hour, everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of luck, fool. Been standing most of the lives, living in the gangster's paradise. Been standing most of the lives, living in the gangster's paradise. Been standing most of the lives, living in the gangster's paradise. Been standing most of the lives, living in the gangster's paradise.
And that brings us to the end of session 2. Yeah, I really felt like I went a bit quicker that time. Improved my best lap time. Here I'm going into the pits, as you can see. This track is awesome. You should definitely try it out if you can. The Sodis are different than like I said earlier, but they're very good to drive. Highly recommend this place. Great fun battling with Rory, even though he's a much slower kart, because he's in a cadet kart. But yeah, really enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I've got lots of new videos planned. I'm going to Club 100, Bayford Meadows, on Saturday, so I'll probably make a big video like I did last time. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!